Baby, your whispers read words so softly through my memories.
Baby, I still can hear your heartbeat loud and clear. It means don't be so sad. I tried to bring him back in your arms.